Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox, guess what? Yes, this is TLV. This is TLV Honda City. Okay, let's uncard this. So scale is 1:64, and you can see this is the red color. This is lovely. One bike and one man is also there. This is the packaging, outer packaging. Details on this. Honda officially licensed product. Made in China. Okay, let's open this. The outer blister. Oh wow, this is awesome. This is a lovely, amazing color. And guess this is what okay, this is the side mirror. Okay, you can install it later. As per my convenience, I will get it installed. Okay, finally. Okay, let's feel. Oh my god, these are so delicate. Oh god, this is so tiny. Amazing detail on such a small miniature. Let's zoom it. Honda. What is that? Moto Cam. Okay. Let's zoom it further. Okay, finally this is open. You can see the star, there's a headlight indicator, and oh my god, this is the parking stand. It was so tiny. Amazing detail for the size. I don't know how to show you. See, this is the scale. This is only the size of a, or double the size of a rice. That's it. Okay, let's see the other thing. Okay, this is a man for this bike. This is so cool. This is not metal, these are rubber, but they are quite detailed. You can see bag, helmet, hand posture. This is sitting posture for this bike. Okay, this is now the complete now. Okay, see. This is the final outcome. Let's set this. Oh god. Finally, now let's see the car. Oh god. My god. This is so real, so real. Actually, I don't know how to describe it, but this is like a miniature big car. Someone has shrunk the real car. You can see the glass detail, the tire is a rubber tire. Lovely headlights. There's a plate, the Honda logo. Let's zoom it. Okay, this is the Honda logo. The grill, you can see the indicator as well. Side indicator, door lock, petrol intake. This is the back look. Honda livery and the Honda logo is the place for the license number. Clear headlamp, inserted plastic lights, well detailed. There's a wiper in the back. Silencer. The paint quality is awesome. This is, I don't have word to describe this, but TLV is TLV. You see Honda City made in China, scale 1:64, 2021. Again, these small details for the base. Base is of metal. Okay, unfortunately it doesn't have suspension. Most of the TLV has suspension, but that is okay. You can see the detail. This is awesome. I am just love with this car. See the color, gapping. Although nothing is openable in this car, but it looks like that everything opens. See the gap lines. It gives you a feeling that it's opening hood. Back also you can see. It makes you feel like that everything opens, but in actual nothing opens. You can see the interior. See, there is a door latch, AC vent, steering is well detailed. You can see the handbrake, gear lever. Oh my god. Well designed seats. The seats are very soft and seems very comfortable. Let me see if I can show you. See, this is the outer portion where it is in the windshield wiper. Okay, so how is the model, guys? Hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe, like and share. We'll come with more models. If you have any regarding any queries or any question related to this model, I can address you in the comment section. anything related to the detail or whatever you want to see, especially or any specific part you are looking for. I will make sure that I will address your query. So thank you once again. Take care. Bye bye.